When you have a negative number raised to a power, if you're trying to figure out if the end result is going to be positive or negative, I mean, you could write out 14 different copies of -1 and cross them out in pairs, but since we're crossing them out in pairs, that means, well, if there's an even number of those negatives, they're all going to be crossed out. So in this case, if we have -1 to the 14th power like this, then we can see right away that it's going to end up being positive. And, of course, 1 to the 14th is just 1. But the point of this is that we have 14 of those negatives, and they're all going to cross out in pairs, and we'll have none of those negatives left, and so the end result will be positive. If we have -1 to the 241st power, well, 240 of those would cancel each other out in pairs, and we'd have one negative left over, so the end result here would end up being -1. So you can kind of use this, double check yourself when you're plugging stuff in to make sure that you get the correct answer.